Chapter 9-5A, now it's time to actually pay our employer taxes to where they need to go. So if you look on the bottom of page 341, we have Angel Ruiz. He owns a business called Ruiz Construction, does his banking at Citizens National Bank in Portland, Oregon. The account in his general ledger for payroll taxes and employees withholding of Social Security tax, Medicare, and federal income tax payable as of April 15th of the current year are at the bottom of page 341. So all of those counts have a balance in them because throughout the pay periods, our journal entries, we've credited these accounts, and now it's time to pay. So you're going to pay out the balances that are in each of those accounts. So here's what's going to happen. The balance of the employee income tax payable account has a credit balance of $6,825. Social Security tax payable has a credit of $11,250, and Medicare tax has a credit balance of $2,625. But it's time for us to pay these into the federal government. So we're going to debit all of those payroll accounts. They're going to become zero, and then we're going to credit cash for $20,700, which is the sum of each of these, because we're going to take the money out of our bank account and write a check and pay it in, and then from an accounting standpoint, we're going to take them out of our payables, our liability accounts. Then we're also going to pay federal unemployment and state unemployment, and we record these separately because they go to different places. So the balance in our federal unemployment tax has a $600 credit, so we're going to debit it to make it zero and pay it out, because once we've paid it, we don't want a balance in this account anymore because we don't want it to show that we owe it when we don't. So we decrease our cash account to pay it. Same with state unemployment. We'll pay it to the state of Oregon, I believe. So we're going to decrease our cash for $4,050 and decrease our payable account for state unemployment tax for $4,050. So now these accounts are all going to become zero. We'll be able to start fresh for the next accounting period and for the next quarter before we pay all these out again.